everyone, welcome with my question set 18 for the database management system 1 video series. So here this question set 18 is also based with this scenario. I'll say this scenario. The marks of the term examinations of the Kaluvela Junior College are still recorded in books because of this principal has to spend a lot of time when he needs to check the marks of the students. Therefore, the principal has decided to include the term marks of all the students studying in this school in a computer system. The software was developed by a software development company called AIsoft. The software should be able to store student term scores and student assessment scores. The principal has decided to develop this software to include the marks of the students in grade 11 as the first stage of this software. You work as a senior software engineer at this company. You and your team are with creating the database here and the SQL query used to provide the following requirements. So here in my 16th video I have created the database and these tables, and in my question set 17 I have created the relationships among those tables and I have forward engineered the script. If you have not watched my previous two videos, I request you all to watch those previous videos and then watch here question set 18. So here in this question set 18 I have to enter this data to the class table, then student table, then subject table, then exam term table, and also to the student exam mark record table. So first of all we'll see how I can enter the data to this class table and student table.
You can see the database I have created in my previous video. These are the tables.
So then for entering data, I am opening the HadeSQL software here. By clicking this, you can open the HadeSQL software. So then here I am entering the password in order to open this. Okay, you can see this the software HadeSQL, and I'm maximizing it. You can see I show you the database here. These are the tables. This has been created. Now I'm entering the data to the class table first, and here I'm going to enter the data to the student table. This is how I'm adding data to the student table. If you can see here I'm adding all the data, and here class ID is the foreign key. We can select it from this selectors. Here we can see whether it is 1 or 2. Okay, so then we'll see how I enter the data into the subject table and also
then
to the
I'm adding
exam
data to the
term
subject table. And this is the way I'm adding data to the subject table. And after that I'm adding data to the exam table also, exam term table also. Here the term ID, then term name, then exam date is included.
Okay, then I am going to enter the most important table, enter this data to the student exam mark record table. Here we have to select the foreign keys from the terms and then languages, then the first name, last name, that means the index number to the student exam mark record table. So let's see how I enter this data to this student exam mark record table.
This is the way that I am adding data to the student exam mark record table. You can see unless the marks column, all the other 3 columns are the foreign keys. So here 3 columns out of 4 columns are the foreign keys, and we have to select what are the foreign keys relevant to the rows from the select options. This is how I have entered data to the student mark record table. So you can see how the foreign keys has been added.
Okay, this is what I have to do in my question set 18. Then I have already entered this data to this class table, then a student table, then also to the subject exam term, and this the complicated table is student exam mark record table. And this is how I have answered for the question set 18 in this video. So thank you for watching this video, and let's meet to the next one soon.